So here comes a perfect ending to a perfect Vancouver visit. I am at the Fairmont Vancouver airport. This was something I was really looking forward to it, in addition to every single thing I did over the last 9 days. So I'll go in and do my check-in and show you how my room and the hotel looks from inside. By the way, this is my first time living in a Fairmont hotel, so I'm very confident and very excited that it would be great. Let's go in. So as you can see, my hotel is right inside the terminal. I don't even have words how to express this because I have never lived in a hotel which is inside the airport terminal. So here is the lobby and I'll be doing my check-in. So surprise, the room I booked was the gold class room with 2 queen beds, and I have access to the executive lounge and a private elevator which goes directly to the 14th floor where the gold class rooms are. So as soon as my sister she comes, we'll be going to the 14th floor, and now is the time. As I said, the gold class rooms, they have an express elevator on the 14th floor. So now we are entering the 14th floor for Fairmont Gold customers, and here is a view of the airport. So here is the concierge. Yes, hi, how are you?
Hello, very well, thank you. Your room will be this way, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All the rooms here seems to be very nice from outside, and the floor itself, I don't have words how to express. So our room number is 1403. And here it is. So here I am entering inside the room, and this is how it looks like. A hotel room inside the airport terminal. I don't even have words to explain. I know it's kind of late in the night, so that's why the view is not as great as you would imagine. But in the morning, I'm pretty sure it will look much nicer. There are mountains right in front of us, and all these gates, and several of the aircrafts. I can recognize Air Canada, WestJet, Sunwing or Sunwest, whatever that airline is, and that's another terminal. And these are the 2 beds here, the 2 queen beds, a desk for doing the work, a flat screen TV, okay, all this stuff for making the tea, coffee, the bottle of water, kettle. So here is a wine cellar. I don't know how to open it. A large closet with bathrobes, a safe, and here is the bathroom with a separate shower, the toilet, the mirror with the gold frame around it, and a jacuzzi. The funny thing is, there is no kind of privacy. There is a door which open right to the bedroom, but I think that's how it is. It's amazing. That's what I would say. And this is my first time living in a hotel, which is at the airport. I have reiterated it few times, but I'm way too excited to not keep mentioning it again and again. Since it is late in the evening, so I'll be showing you a view of the runway as well as the mountains tomorrow morning. By the way, my hotel room comes with a executive lounge and an access, so we'll be going upstairs in a little bit to check out what do they have and how does it look like. Moreover, we have a complimentary breakfast included with the gold class access. And if I may show you very quickly, there is a plane which has just taxied in and will be coming to the gates. So you can see a plane coming in to park at one of the gates. And if I may also mention, even though there is a runway right in front of me, the windows are soundproof. I cannot cannot hear any sound besides the sound of TV which is running behind me. So I'm here in the executive lounge of the Fairmont Gold Class floor number 14. And at this time, we have desserts as well as both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. So here are the drinks, some non-alcoholic drinks, the machine for gourmet coffees, and here is another view of the lounge. Tomorrow I'll be coming here for the breakfast, and this lounge is exactly at the same level where my room is. And guess what? There is a telescope. Here is a telescope that I would be using. Hey, good morning. Good, thank you. How are you? So I can just go in, right?
Yes, for breakfast.
Yeah.
Can I bring this to you?
Good morning. So here I am at Fairmont Vancouver International Airport, again on the 14th floor, the Gold Class Lounge, and this is my breakfast overlooking the domestic terminal of Vancouver Airport, and you can see several aircraft from WestJet, Air Canada, Sunwing, and Delta parked here. And this is an active runway in front of me, as well as there are North Vancouver mountains, and there is a view of the Vancouver skyline. Now I have had meals at several American Express lounges which have a view of runway or the tarmac, but this is my first time staying in a hotel which is inside the airport and has a view of active runway. Last night I was too excited to sleep properly, so I slept for maybe 5 hours. So I got up as soon as the dawn started happening. I continued with my plane watching, and I was hungry around like 7 o'clock, so I came here for my breakfast. Now I'm going to have my breakfast. You have already seen so many options available, but for myself I got this, a quinoa, potatoes with scallion, some butter and a latte. So this is going to be my breakfast. Once I eat it and I go back to my room, I'm going to do some more video recording of planes from my hotel room. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Here is another view of the runway, and right in front of me one of the aircrafts is almost ready to take off. It's taxiing in on the runway, and in few moments it will be taking off. There is a sea behind us and runway on which a plane is now taking off, coming in full view very soon. Just now I showed you a view of the takeoffs from the other side. Now here is the view of landing strip, and there are several aircrafts primarily from Air Canada which are ready to taxi to the takeoff runway and will be on their way, and in couple of hours I will be on my way too. On my left you can see a view of the ocean, the North Vancouver mountains in front of me, and to the right the city of Vancouver. So this experience of staying at Fairmont Vancouver was totally worth it. It was expensive for sure. It costed me about $650 per night, but this view is majestic, and there are not too many airports around the world where you can stay in a hotel which is right inside an airport terminal. So for experience I would say, yeah, certainly it's worth it. My room, it also comes with a airplane spotting guide. I personally think it's a nice way to find out what planes I would be looking at, even though I could identify some of them fairly easily, but still this guide does come in handy. For me, there cannot be a better ending of this vacation, and now as I speak, there is an aircraft landing right in front of me. It's a WestJet aircraft which is going to park on one of these gates somewhere close to my room. Now on my video I have captured both the takeoffs as well as the landing, and as I was saying, there cannot be a better ending of my perfect vacation. This was my first time on the Pacific coast of continental Canada. I am so thrilled, so happy that I was able to have such an amazing experience all the way coming from Toronto on a 4-day, 4-night train journey, and then exploring the city of Vancouver and Whistler along with my sister, and now ending my vacation here in this gold class room at Fairmont, Vancouver. I hope you enjoyed this video as well as the other videos of this Vancouver trip. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and stay safe.